I think first of all, when we had the telephone call, we were a little bit nervous. You wonder why you are the person who ends up having that telephone call from Estyn. But we had a conversation with the inspector who would be visiting us during the day, and they really put our minds at ease. It was clear in terms of our role in it and the expectation for us and what the visiting inspectors would be doing during their day with us. And I think that gave me and my staff lots of reassurance. We knew that there would be an element of going and speaking to children, speaking to staff, looking at some of the things that we have in place in our school, and it would be seen as an opportunity to share and celebrate some of our achievements and successes, but also an opportunity to stop and reflect on where we are in our school journey and to get that valuable feedback of what we could do for those next steps in our development. So after having those conversations, again, after the initial nerves, it did put our mind at ease.